Hello everybody, so this video is about how to fix a broken nail, and this is how I fix my broken nail, so please stay tuned on what you need to use. Hey, so I will be using this Beauty 360 Nourishing Nail Polish Remover, and I'm going to use this contraption here with the cotton ball. As you guys can see here, I'm using this because I don't want to mess up my other nails, okay? And then I will be using the Kiss Mega Hole. We gotta get this in focus, you know. Here we go. All right, this is the glue. And then this is the Duri Rejuvacote, my base coat. And this is the nail polish that we'll be using by Revlon, sorry. And this is the tweezers to pick up the pieces of the tea bag to place on the nail. And this is the tea bag that we'll be cutting. You don't have to use Lipton, but that's what I had. And then this is one of the buffers that I'll be using. I may use this nail filer as well, but not sure. And then this is the scissors that I'll be cutting the tea bag with. And that's the out the door top coat. I didn't really show that. I apologize about that. But here we go. Alright, so we're going to start off by using the contraption with the cotton ball, and we're going to remove the nail polish. And again, I'm using this like this because I just did my nails, and my break wanted to happen after I did my nails, so I have to use this in order to not, you know, ruin the other nails. Alright, so this is the break. As you can see, I tried to file it, and that was the wrong thing to do, so I messed up trying to save the break. I usually do that with my nails, so I'm so mad. You see, it's very deep, and I didn't want to cut it, so I'm trying to save it with this tea bag method, okay? Alright, so this is the tea bag, and I will be cutting some pieces from the tea bag. And I know y'all probably like, this is a waste of tea, but at the same time, I don't know if you can still use it, but you can keep this tea bag, you know, for future nail breaks. Not saying, you know, you want to have nail breaks all the time, but, you know, that's basically about that. But yeah, so you want to cut it to where it's, you know, as small as the break, or a little bit, you know, over, you know, so it could cover the break. But some people also use the whole, you know, they cover their whole nail. That's also an option as well. Maybe I should have did that. I think the next time I do this, I will cover the whole nail just to be, you know, safe. Okay. All right, this is the glue. Now just make sure that you try to put a little dot of it if you can. Sometimes the glue can come out a little more than a dot, and that's usually what happens to me, so I try to, you know, not do that. So yeah, so I'm basically, sorry for the blurred, I'm basically, you know, putting the nail, you know, trying to mesh it together, as you guys can see, and then I'm applying a little bit more glue just to secure it, and then I'm going to start applying the tea bag, as you guys can see here. This is very tedious. I suggest you do this when you are not in a rush, especially if you're trying to save this nail. Again, you can cover your whole nail. If you guys want to see a video like that, because I might do that the next time I do my nails, which is going to be very soon. Again, sorry for the blurred. Alright, now I'm applying a little bit more glue over top just for some extra security. And I know y'all probably like, what? And I'm wrapping the tea bag around the back just to secure it even more. And that's what it should look like. And then after it dries, I'm going to take this and buff it down just a little bit so the nail polish can go on there smoothly. And please do this after you dry it. And this is what it looks like. I know my finger is ashy. I didn't use, you know, nail polish remover and stuff like that. It's going to look all nice and moisturized after we're done. Now we're going to apply the base coat, as you guys can see here. As you will regularly do your nail, you know, just do your nails like you know, your manicure like you usually do. And this is what it's looking like so far with the base coat. And then you're going to apply whatever nail polish that you are using. I'm going to use this because this is what's on my other nails. And that's just basically it about that. So we're done. That's how I fix my broken nail. And hopefully this stays. A lot of people ask, is it going to stay? It's kind of temporary. So, and I'm also putting out the door top coat. If you guys, you know, want to save your nail, just make sure that you're not opening stuff with that, you know, with that severed, I'm sorry, with that nail, because it's still technically broken. So just be careful, because it can, you know, try to break or lift up. So just be careful with this nail. That's all. All right, so it's temporary fix, but it's just for now. And that's just basically it. Any other questions, you could definitely let me know. And that's basically it, you guys. And this is basically how I fix my nails. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please send it to us. gmail.com. Another reply back to you. I hope you learned from this, and this is how I do it. Okay. All right. Peace.